for this I need to accept a name. I have already done that. I said that the user will also provide how many characters he has given in the name. For that I have created len, it is the length, and also I for a loop counter. After the user provides the name, I will ask the user how many characters are there in the name. The gets function, puts function, these functions are also defined in Studio.h. And for I is equal to len minus 1, I is less than, I is greater than 0, equal to 0, and I minus minus. As this print for is containing a single value, single statement, I am printing it directly. This time I am not printing the whole name as by %s, I am printing it by %c and ith location of the array. Is the letters reversed? Now see the logic. Here we have accepted the name. Suppose the name is Amit Kumar. So the name variable or the name array will contain Amit Kumar. The maximum number of characters is 10. So the user will provide what? Length in 10. Len will contain 10. I have started the loop with len minus 1. So the for Amit Kumar len is containing 10. So what will be the starting value of I? 9. So I will start from 9 and where till which number it will go? 0. So it will reduce every time itself. From 9 to 0 it will work. Okay, and every time I am decrementing the value by I minus minus, and I am printing that particular collection of that particular character of name array. For the first time I will print the character of which index? 9th index, and the 9th index is containing what? R. Then it will print the 8th index A, then 7th index M, then U, then K, and then space, then T, then I, then M, then A. So now you can understand why I have accepted the length. Why? The user does not know that there is a null character. The program is for user. Count भी करते हैं तो it will not count. Okay, the \0 is not provided by the user, and the \0 concept is implemented by the compiler. So whenever a programmer even asks the length of the name, it will calculate it from the first character till the \0 character, and it will not count the \0 character. Why? 10 कैरेक्टर है तो आखिरी कैरेक्टर 9th पे होगा, right? Okay, every time do you have to accept length from the user? No. There are some certain functions, some predefined functions available in C. There are some string functions available in C. I will provide all the string functions to you, and through the help of that string functions you can easily calculate the number of characters available in an array. You can easily combine two arrays. You can easily copy the value of an array to another array. You can easily compare two arrays whether they are containing the same values or not. This is basically works on character type of array, so it has given a name string functions. all the string functions that are available in C are given in the .h string.h header file. The string.h header file is basically containing the functions that are available for strings. I will tell you some 4 to 5 functions for that, but you will move further. You will go for the internet and search all the string functions that are available in C. See how many of them you can utilize. Okay. So I will provide you some string functions. I will provide you with some string functions. Okay.